Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best fishing rod holders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Berkeley Fishing Rod Rack. This fishing rod holder comes in a highly functional design and has the ability to store almost 6 rods at a time. It delivers secure performance as this comes with foam grip pads. Furthermore, this helps to prevent any kind of damage as this can hold the rods off the ground. The product comes in durable construction and has corrosion-proof housing. Additionally, it lets you have easy mobility as this comes in lightweight construction. This delivers reliable performance and is an ideal item for fishing enthusiasts. Moreover, this is very easy to use and allows you to have easy access to your fishing rod. Moving on at number 4, we have the Rush Creek Creations Fishing Rod Storage Rack. Available in a unique design, this one is composed of wood grain laminate. The fishing rod holder has an attractive look, and you can even use it for display purposes. Furthermore, this can accommodate multiple fishing rods at a time, and the durable construction allows you to use it for a long time. Moreover, it makes sure that it will be easy access, and it has a perfect height with versatile slots. This lets you have easy assembling and comes in a lightweight design. Additionally, it features padded slots, and you can even adjust it to any rod taper. It has a sleek look and makes sure there will be sturdy storage. At number 3, we have the Rush Creek Creations Fishing Rod Storage Tackle Cart. This one allows you to assemble it within minutes and have better convenience. It comes in a highly functional design and can accommodate up to 12 rods at the time. Moreover, the fishing rod holder has a carbon fiber weave laminate so that there will be enhanced stability. Additionally, this is also very durable, so that you can use it for a long time. It features an adjustable middle wire shelf that lets you use it according to your needs. The product comes with rolling caster wheels that ensure there will be easy mobility. Furthermore, it has scratch-resistant construction that makes it look new season after season. At number 2, we have the PLUSINNO Fishing Boat Rod Holder. Composed of eco-friendly materials, this one has an anti-corrosion surface. The fishing rod holder is composed of heavy-duty ABS material and is resistant to high impact. Moreover, this has 360-degree adjustability and can accommodate all types of rods. This makes a perfect gift to anyone, and it has a clamp opening of 1.97 inches. Additionally, it comes in a pack of 2 and helps to protect your fishing rods. This also allows you to have easy access and includes stainless steel hardware. Furthermore, it has wide applications and allows you to have a hassle-free installation. And finally at number 1, we have the YakAttack Omega Rod Holder. Are you looking for a fishing rod holder that lets you have better convenience? This one includes a 360-degree rotating collar so that you can secure the rod by capturing the reel. This is very easy to use and allows you to use it in multiple modes. Additionally, it is suitable for all types of reels and has high-quality construction for long-lasting use. This will not disappoint you when it comes to performance, and it is in non-slip design. Moreover, it is also in patent-pending design so that you can use it conveniently. Furthermore, you don't have to worry about accidental rotation as this comes with the lock and load track base. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.